OMG. You will be amazed how easy and simple this head wrap is to achieve. Welcome to African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. In this video, I am going to be showing you two beautiful, quick, easy and simple head wrap that you can tie to any occasion of your choice. So I folded my head wrap into two equal division, 50-50, and then I gather it and use my ear tie to hold it in the middle like that. So I have like a small folded portion in the center of my head wrap. As you can see, is a lazy day head wrap tutorial. So I'm not wearing wig, so I have my hair sleeping net on. So I'm just going to hide that and then arrange my gele to align to cover my sleeping net, and I'm just going to cross it at the back, bring it forward and pull it through the hair tie. You can use rubber band for this, but always use a matching rubber band so that your head wrap can look seamless and there will not be contradicting colors. But for this tutorial purpose, I am using hair tie. So I repeat the same thing for the other side. Just gather the other hand and bring it forward, and then I'm going to be pulling it through the ear tie that is in the center in the front. And guys, everything comes forward. I am telling you right now, you can do a lot of designs with these ruffle parts in front, but I'm just going to do a very super quick easy one. So see the way I take that part that we ordered with ear tie initially, I take it to the back and then I pin it down. Yes, make sure that you pin it down in such a way that it's going to be comfortable for you without poking yourself with a pin, and that is well secure. So now I have the leftover hands that I put through the second time and the third time. So now I'm just going to be opening them up to form small size roses. See the way I am rolling it. See, I open it up. So already formed something, but I want it to be more circular. So I'm just going to cuff it. Yes, now I have a small petal rose and I use my pin to secure it at the base of my head wrap. Yes, guys, it's as simple as that. It's looking so good already. Then this hand is more bigger than the other one, so I repeat the same thing. Go in a circular motion and form another small petal rose. So I try to make it as uniform as possible by reducing the weight of this one by rolling it multiple times, and I just use my pin to hold it in place. Oh my goodness, can you see that? Did you see that? Did you see how beautiful that looks? Look at that rose at the base of the head wrap. And this is going to be our style number one. So I'm just going to work on the back side. Remember, I'm not wearing ear. So if you are wearing like a ponytail, you can pull through in that middle. But mine, I'm just going to cover it up. So I just arrange it and use my pin to hold it in the back. That way that part is not going to be exposing. Then I tuck in the one that is puffy. Puffy, yes, that's the word, the one that is proud at the back. And guys, that is it. Style number one that you can rock to church, to Owambe, or to any event of your choice, and you will look so lovely and amazing. Yes, what do you think about this style number one? Okay, so if you are the type that doesn't like too much height, you can tame it down by rolling it downwards. See the way I'm rolling it? Then form a circular bigger rose and then pin it down, guys. Oh my god, I think this style number two is my favorite, guys. It looks like a turban. You can actually use a different fabric to achieve this style. Wear it to work, wear it to church, wear it to market, wear it to even Owambe. Oh my god, I love this one. This is very simple and easy to achieve. Thanks for watching. Please share this video. See you in my next one. Bye.